Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with the video 10 game changer for your knife and tool maintenance. The first item is a classic sharpening steel, or some call them sharpening rods. You have, for example, this pen-sized design. There are other designs too. The huge advantage is it's a very durable design and you can hone your knife, for example, in the field. Depending on the quality of your sharpening rod and the quality or hardness of your knife steel, I have to mention that this item is only usable for steels that are more on the softer side. I can give you an example. When you have a lower quality sharpening rod and an extremely hard blade steel, you cut into the rod. All in all, it's a great option when you do your knife and edge maintenance several times during a day. A great choice that's nearly indestructible. As you may know, I'm a huge fan of Ballistol Universal Oil, but these standard cans are a bit too bulky for the pocket, for the EDC set, and maybe for the backpack too. And that's the reason why I love to carry these universal oil towels. It's an extremely slim design. You can use them more than one time. You can also use these universal oil towels as a great fire starter in combination with your fire steel. A great product from Ballistol and perfect for EDC and hiking enthusiasts. Let's come to the next product. This is an angle guidance. You have 18 and 13 degrees. It's made out of plastic and perfect for the kitchen or your EDC and outdoor kits. Let's come to the next really interesting tool for your knife maintenance. I use this one especially for the tool maintenance for my multi-tools from Victorinox and Leatherman. It's cleaning items for pipes. All in all, it's a small metal wire that's extremely thin, so you can bend it very easily, and you have some fluffy fabric around. It's a perfect tool to clean the spots of the tweezers or the toothpick on your Swiss Army knives. And your Swiss Army knives are designed as a perfect EDC tool, but they are also designed as a perfect dirt collector. So you can use this tool to clean the spaces between the different layers. And for the maintenance after the hiking or outdoor tour, you can also use a simple toothbrush to clean the different layers with some soap and water. Let's come to the super eraser from Boker in the fine version. All in all, it's a kind of rust eraser, and you can remove rust spots from your tools, your blades or other equipment. When you have a blade with a high-end polish or a mirror polish, this super eraser is not the right choice because you will scratch the high polish surface. So all in all, it's a really cool tool, but I only use this super eraser for my users to remove the rust spots, because my users are in hard use, for example in the forest or in my bushcraft projects. So for these cases, this one is a great choice. And I always cut these super erasers in, for example, 2 or 6 blocks, and I always take one of the small blocks in my EDC or bushcraft kit, so I can always maintain my stuff in the field. Highly underrated when it comes to knife maintenance in the field. This is a Puma cleaning cloth. Yes, you can wipe the dirt away when you have to, or you can clean the knife when you have to. This one is a larger version from Puma, but there are also smaller versions, for example this one from Bastard's Knives. The next item, I think the most of us have this one at home, cotton buds, and you can easily clean the different spaces of your multi-tools, or you can use this one to drop the oil on your knife blade and clean the whole surface. In my opinion, a great and cheap choice for your outdoor EDC kit for the knife and tool maintenance in the field. You know that I love the DMT products, and I talked a lot about the 70mm versions. This one is the green extra fine version. All in all, it's a diamond plate and it's slim, it's lightweight, it's very durable, and it's not that expensive. Especially with the green version, you get a great working edge in the field. You have to take care of your fingers depending on your sharpening technique, but all in all, it's a great little tool. Another game changer for the knife maintenance and sharpening process is definitely hardwood. Hardwood works perfectly to break or remove the burr, and you see it here. Here are some small cuts in a black or gray color. It's removed metal from the burr. This one is a cut version for the kitchen, but you can also go to the hardware store and buy a piece of hardwood so it would perfectly fit in your backpack or in your EDC kit. During your sharpening process with different stages, you have built a burr, and to break this burr, take the knife and cut with very low pressure through the hardwood, maybe 2 or 3 times, and you should have break or remove the burr. I think this technique is very easy, and you also find hardwood in the forest, so you don't have to buy it. And my last stage after removing the burr with hardwood is always the stropping process. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your game-changing tools for the knife maintenance. I'm excited to learn more about your preferences, and I'm excited about your comments.